If you've ever wanted a car that perfectly balances everyday practicality, style, and fuel efficiency, this might just be the one. Meet the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, a smart, confident, and efficient crossover that brings Toyota's legendary reliability into a modern electrified world. Starting around $30,000 and going up to about $34,000 for higher trims, this compact SUV doesn't scream for attention. It earns it quietly through refinement and purpose. It's designed for people who want more space than a sedan, but don't want to give up the easy driving comfort that the Corolla name is known for. The exterior refresh gives it a sharper, more mature personality. Up front, the color-matched grille now flows smoothly into a redesigned bumper, while new 18-inch alloy wheels add a sporty edge. And that new cavalry blue paint option, especially with a black roof, it's bold, youthful, and instantly recognizable. Just the kind of flair that turns heads without trying too hard. Inside, Toyota has made some thoughtful upgrades. You'll notice a cleaner dashboard design, premium soft touch materials, and a brand new 10.5-inch infotainment screen that becomes the tech heart of the cabin. On top trims, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster replaces analog dials, giving you a futuristic driving feel. It's comfortable, quiet, and intuitively laid out, just as you'd expect from Toyota. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain pairs a four-cylinder engine with three electric motors, combining for 196 horsepower. That's enough to take it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.3 seconds. Quick enough for highway merges, yet incredibly efficient. And because all-wheel drive comes standard, it's ready for rain, snow, or a weekend escape to the mountains. Speaking of efficiency, this hybrid doesn't disappoint, delivering around 42 miles per gallon combined. Even in real-world driving, it remains impressively frugal, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its segment. Whether it's a daily commute or a family road trip, the Corolla Cross Hybrid combines Toyota's signature dependability with modern design and thoughtful technology. It's not trying to be flashy. It's built to fit effortlessly into your lifestyle, a crossover that feels right every time you get behind the wheel. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Smart, stylish, and built for the modern world. Welcome back to my channel.